Hello YouTube viewers, how are you guys? Hope you're doing good. I'm Venkat, by the way. It is 10th of November 2018. It's been a while since I posted my last videos. I think it's nearly a year since I posted my videos. I've only had like 11 or 12 videos so far. I generally don't show my face in the videos. Who wants to see my face? So I pay more attention on the content of the video rather than showing my face. But going forward, I've seen many YouTube videos. I think they encourage us to show who the presenter is. Going forward, I'm going to show a little thumbnail of my face live on my videos. While thinking about the content that I'm going to put in, I've done MySQL cluster, I've done OpenLDAP, Kerberos, Elastic, Kibana, Elastic Search, so on, and this. So I've been learning few things recently, so I thought it would be a nice opportunity for me to put some content for the benefit of the users, for the benefit of the viewers. So what I've been learning recently is Kubernetes, which is a container orchestration platform developed by Google, and it's now given to CNCF. I'm fairly new to that technology. I've been reading through them and playing with them for about a couple of weeks. I think I'm good enough to post some videos on it. That will give me an opportunity to dive deep in. So watch out for this space. What I'm basically planning to do is to let you guys understand what Kubernetes is and on the Linux platform, how the container orchestration works, how self-healing, how the container, how to develop distributed applications using Dockerized methodologies, so on. So it's going to be very interesting, and I'm going to split my videos into different parts. So it's going to be very interesting, and I'm going to play everything on the on virtual machines. So keep an eye, watch out for this space, and I'm back. So I'm planning to do one video a week. So it will be basically about Vagrant for provisioning the virtual machines, Docker for container management, and Kubernetes for container orchestration. So I also feel guilty about not answering some of the questions the users commented. So I'm going to go through the comments that have been not answered. So I'll try my best to answer the questions because the videos that I've done so far was like long time ago, about 2 years ago. The versions might have changed. For example, the MySQL cluster or the ELK stack and so on. I don't have the virtual environment that I showed in the video, so I need to recreate those videos to be able to answer your questions. So anyways, I'll try my best. Because once you start something, it will get the momentum. So I'm hoping to do my best. And thanks in advance for subscribing. And if you want to keep posted on new videos, which I'm planning to do once every week, please subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for your support so far. I'm Venkat. See you soon.